Hello and welcome to a new video for the SwiftUI learning course. In today's video we are going to talk about structs. A struct, short for structure, is a custom data type that lets you group related values and behavior together. Think of it as a blueprint for creating objects. A class is a reference type. We won't be using that in this video. And a struct is a value type. Structs are useful for performance. It's lightweight and it is a value type, as I said. When do we use structs? You use structs often in modeling simple data, when you want a safe, independent copies for UI, or when immutability is preferred. Immutability. Structs for UI or when immutability is preferred. Structs encourage using let constants. A video about that later, which makes code safer. Personally, I use structs mainly for the styling of certain UI elements. In the previous lesson we talked about the custom button. We can do the same for text, images, containers and elements. Above the body, we type struct with a non-capital S. Then the name you want to give this type of struct. So for this we do title text style, then a colon, then view modifier, and then a curly bracket to open. Then we type func as in functionality, body, content, colons content, then an arrow with some view, and then we type content, and then we give it all the modifiers we want, like font dot title and dot font weight dot bold. After that we can use dot foreground style dot blue to give it a blue color. Then we can do above the navigation stack or in the navigation stack, doesn't really matter. We can type text and then type the text, hello world for example. Then we see it here and we can put it below the navigation stack as well. Then it's down there. Can we do it in between? No. So we make it one hello world. Yeah, we can put it in a some kind of stack, but that doesn't really matter for this example. Then below text we type dot modifier and then the modifier. So text title the other way around. Title text style with two brackets. And as you can see, the word becomes bigger. The word becomes bold, and it's got a title font. And with this struct you can do the same thing and customize it yourself. You can add modifiers as you want. You can add all kind of things, corner styles, overlay, shadows, doesn't matter. It stays or it keeps this struct for every type you add the modifier text title style. So last example, we can add we've got the most common things already, so we can add an underline to it. Now it looks like a hyperlink to somewhere, but it is text and not a button. So that's how you modify with a struct. As I told you, it is useful to combine certain data. It is used as a value type, not as a struct or a reference type. So it's useful for a lot of things. Use it whenever you want, wherever you want. We can do it for text, but also for images, for containers, for other elements. So keep that in mind. For now, thank you very much for watching. In the next video, we will talk about the navigation stack, as I told, or as I deleted a couple of Ctrl+Z's ago. So we will talk about this navigation stack. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, of course, to see more. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.